We're whores in the sense that when Hurricane Sandy hit, yeah, us in the city, we may not have lost our homes, but we lost our fucking minds. We lost our fucking minds because we had no idea what to do without our precious fucking technology. We're all fucking whores to the government, the fucking politicians. This is the land of the free and the home of the motherfucking brave. And yet we're all pussy. We are all pussies. We live in one of the few countries on this planet where you can genuinely just say the president can eat a dick and not get shot down for it. With all the rights and everything that we can say and do, what do? Absolutely fucking nothing. So after all of this, after everything that's said, in spite of all of that, all the knowledge I just dropped on my two best fucking friends in the world, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Because I still don't give a fuck.